Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I think it's absolutely an honor to be a part of this audience and presenting what we could do or we could work with the government in various initiatives. A quick agenda on what I intend to present. I mean, I thought it was necessary that we have a lot of likeliness as far as change and transformation is concerned. At Dell, we have gone through that change, especially over the last 1.5 years, and I thought it sinks in with the agenda of the government in terms of transformation, in terms of being a change agent. And I thought the best case study or the best use example, apart from citing a couple of other examples that we have done with various governments across the globe, was our own self. What we are essentially trying to say is if you've kind of viewed our print ads or if you've kind of viewed our digital media ads of late, we are talking about the power to do more. We are talking about giving you, the citizens of the country, the power to do more. And essentially that's what our tagline also says. If you look at our strategy, I mean, we've kind of put four very important tenets to our strategy. We're talking about transformation. What does transformation mean? Transformation means the efficiency of IT. How can we keep on increasing the efficiency of the systems that we use? You know, Mr. Sharma said about Moore's law. I think it's absolutely apt here. Technology keeps on changing. You know, to what Vishal just said some time back, I mean, 5 years ago, who would have thought of digitizing your home? Right? 5 years ago, who would have thought? People had started thinking of digitizing offices, but definitely not homes. And that's what technology can do to us. Whoever thought that you know, we would be mobile centric to the extent of being the largest economy in the world to have the largest mobile penetration across the country. Nobody would have thought of that about 5-10 years ago, right? We're talking about connection. We're talking about connectivity. Whereas I'd like to maybe stress on connectivity of workplace. I mean, this is the connectivity in greater detail that the government is talking about in terms of going down to those 2.5 lakh gram panchayats and making sure that everybody today has that network available to talk to the government. We're talking about keeping yourself informed on the decisions that you take. I think when you talk about transformation, when you talk about connectivity, when you talk about reach, most important is your data, right? So what is the protection that you personally, your organization has is something which is very essential for us to understand, right? In view of the same, like I said, maybe 5 years ago, if you had spoken to me, you would have been speaking to Dell for desktops and laptops. Today, over the last 3.5 years especially, I mean, we've made $18 billion of investment. We've inorganically grown, purchased about 30-odd companies across the globe. Essentially for what? Essentially as a part of our long-term transformation strategy. When I talk about transformation, when I talk about connectivity, when I talk about information, when we talk about protection, our acquisitions have been in the space that actually fall under the umbrella of our strategy, of our long-term transformation strategy. Cultural development. This is I personally like this example. Dubai as a city also, you know, apart from its glitz and glamour, also has a very rich cultural heritage. You know, if you visit the Museum of Dubai in the picture there, it's completely digitized now. It actually is completely digitized, which helps attract a lot more tourists than it actually used to. More importantly, I think police patrolling. You know, one of the aspects that the government definitely, I think, is looking into and which we need to look into. We did a with the public safety department in California, government of USA, through a ruggedized Dell attitude, gave a solution which essentially at the end of the day added 2,000 hours per year of patrolling. The 2,000 hours per year of police patrolling. Imagine what that would do to a society like ours. 2,000 hours per year, right? A bit of it on India, of course. I mean, from an Indian perspective, we are actively involved with the government, very, very actively involved with DGSND, with NIC, NIXI. We are part of various state nodal agencies as part of their rate contracts, enjoy extremely good you know, relationships with system integrators like TCS, Wipro, and HCL. We have We have certifications from many ISVs on workstations and servers for the ecosystem that the government is looking at. And the transformation that we've been going through, at least in the last 4 or 5 years, especially in the last 1 year, as I said, has made us more agile, has made us more visible, has made us more easy to access, for our customers.